Welcome to English Vocabulary OPD channel.
Words about the story of the lion and the rabbit. Hunt. Hunt. To hunt is to look for or search for an animal to kill. Long ago, people hunted with bows and arrows. Lot. Lot. A lot means a large number or amount of people, animals, things, etc. There are a lot of apples in the basket. Middle. Middle. The middle of something is the center or halfway point. The Canadian flag has a maple leaf in the middle of it. Moment. Moment. A moment is a second or a very short time. I was only a few moments late for the meeting. Pleased. Pleased. When someone is pleased, they are happy. She was pleased with the phone call she received. Promise. Promise. To promise is to say you will do something for sure. He promised to return my key by tomorrow. Reply. Reply. To reply is to give an answer or say back to someone. She asked him what time his meeting was. He replied, at 3. Safe. Safe. When a person is safe, they are not in danger. Put on your seatbelt in the car to be safe. Trick. Trick. A trick is something you do to fool another person. His card trick really surprised us. Well. You use well to say that something was done in a good way. The couple can dance quite well.
Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.